I think I flew over to Cuckoo's nest. What's up, everyone? Welcome aboard. It's Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, June the 25th, and what a wild day already. It is whacked, as we like to say, and markets are in a unbelievable crazy trading range, diverging all over the place. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends at the Capital Trading Group, CTG, and of course, they're one of our brokerage partners. Now, we have many brokers that we use, but our preference and our only authorized letter of direction broker is the CTG Group. And why? Well, because they get great customer service. They've got great managed futures products. They take care of our members, and they execute for me. They do all my accounts. So what could I say? They are my choice. If you would like to join aboard and check them out, please feel free to do so at info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, markets are wild. No volume, okay, but we've got the Dow up 220. The NASDAQ down about 4. It's been up and down between 50 either side. The S&P is up 12. And the Russell's up 100. And, of course, it looks like everyone's going to try to get to all-time new highs. This week, the NASDAQ and the S&P have gotten there. In the meantime, again, we're long everything but the Dow. And, of course, in the metals, they've been in this real miserable, tight consolidation range. And you've got up today, gold is up about $10, and silver is about 16 cents. Platinum is about $9 higher. So we're short, and we don't trade platinum anymore. We would be short though. In the meantime, crude oil I guess it was just down. Now it's up again. By the time you get this, I don't know where it's going to be. It broke down for about 5 minutes, and now it's rallying back up again. It's slightly positive, and we're still long crude. I mean, again, we're taking advantage of the ignorance of the administration and their choice to farm out all of our oil to Saudi Arabia and OPEC, the criminals. So we'll see. In the meantime, dollar is a little bit lower today. We're still long. Copper is lower again, and of course we're short. Nat gas is higher, which is, again, this is sending a message and telling you how much trouble the energy markets are in and how much we're going to be paying in the future. For nat gas to be at these levels at this time of year is ridiculous, but it is what it is. That's price action. You don't argue with it. You just trade it. And the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is getting smacked around again. But, I don't think anybody should be concerned nor surprised. I think you expect that in an index that is wild to begin with. It's down 1,600. That's like nothing. Remember the volatility and the size of the market that you're trading. It can go anywhere, so we're not going to worry about it. We would be long at the moment. The bonds and notes are under some pressure today. Now, again, this could be the bond vigilantes kicking in again. And, of course, the more they say there's no inflation, the higher the inflation is, as we know. Okay, it's a crock, what they talk about. And in the grain world, ugly again. Corn down 17, beans down 25, and wheat down 13. Listen, we're short across the board, and I prefer to be long. But again, I'm going to follow the price action, as I always tell you. And of course, in the meats, the protein complex, cattle is a little bit lower, feeder cattle is a little bit higher, and hogs are up a little bit, which makes sense. I mean, they've gone down limit a couple of days. They're going to have a pop here. But they're going lower most likely. Again, this is the big long run is over. And in the softs, cotton is higher and we're long. Coffee is higher and we're short. Sugar is lower and we're short. Cocoa is higher and we're short. And OJ is lower and we're short. So you can see like it's a mixed picture. I mean, the week's okay. And again, it's the real key of patience, discipline, and not getting yourself into trouble trying to chase the markets around. Okay. They get wild during the day, which is why we don't trade during the day. Okay, we just have our positions, and if something changes, we change overnight. In the meantime, remember our other brokerage partner at Tradier, okay? And again, Tradier, what's the big deal about Tradier? Well, they are $10 a month. That's the biggest deal I could ever say for you, okay? It's $10 a month. Imagine how much money you're going to save. Now, we do have other brokers, just so you know. I've got accounts at many places, but I prefer Tradier because, again, $10 a month, plus the fact that we have their APIs that allows us to automate our equity portfolios, and we do that at no charge as part of your membership. Okay, nobody charges. There's no extra for that if you want it, and you don't have to. You can stay wherever you are. There's no requirement for you to switch brokers, only if you want automation. And until we develop other ones, and we will develop a couple other brokers before it's all said and done. And of course, our hedging program as well. So that's a great outlet when you're trading some quantity. That's Tradier Brokerage. And of course, our partnership with the family farms. Look, they're a great organization with the same interests that we have, which is to help farmers do a better job with their capital and protect themselves. Speaking at an event with them in July, I'm looking forward to it. In the meantime, our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. And if you're a commodity trader and you're not trading, you're not reading Technomental, you should go along to the Cuckoo's Nest. It is by far the most comprehensive commodity report written in the industry. You can check it out at BUBBATrading.com. It's called Technomental. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you back here on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. In the meantime, enjoy, be careful, and be disciplined. We'll see you later, everybody.